Hey, what's up guys? Investor Stallone. I'm going to be giving you a little live update here. This is something that I'm going to be trying to switch my format to, so bear with me as I work out the kinks because I'm just pretty much going to be doing live stuff from now on. So, let's jump right into it. What have I effing been doing? Not posting on YouTube. I've been chilling, been working a lot, running a small business. COVID sucked. It's been hard to find staff. Let's not worry about that too much. Most importantly, I have been investing, always investing, but I have been switching it up. The strategies have changed, been rotating the profiles, portfolios around. I will expand on all that later. Been very focused on crypto. I know that's like a hot topic right now. No, I'm not trying to get views. I haven't even been posting. If I was trying to get views, I'd be posting. I've just been really passionate about crypto. And so I've kind of been reallocating my portfolio away from dividend stocks, more towards like tech stocks, things of that nature, you know, like the Microsofts, the FANGs, the Teslas, the Squares, the things like that, long-term holds. And then still own 2 real estate properties. But really I've been getting into crypto. So I'm going to be switching up the format of my channel. Like right now I'm working on this live stream software. Bear with me as I work the kinks out. Trying to figure out how to set up like an external camera, all that stuff. If anybody has any live stream software or tips or tricks, I'm just going to kind of hopefully keep progressively getting better with this live streaming stuff. So yeah, bear with me. But for the main gist, basically what I'm going to do is just kind of give rundowns, Q&As, stuff like that, and just talk about news stories, things I'm buying, all that kind of stuff. This video is just literally just to give a quick shout out and kind of go over some of the things that like news stories, things that I find interesting. So let's just jump right into it. So just going to go across things I come across that I find interesting during the day. So if you're into crypto, which a lot of people are right now and even more will be in the future, great news today. Fed's Powell, no intent to ban crypto or Bitcoin. Powell testified before the House Financial Services Committee. So this is really good news. I expected this news that we're not going to, follow a China-style ban on digital assets. Kind of was expecting this. I think it's counterintuitive to the U.S. to kind of follow China, do these bans. It kind of goes against everything that I think the U.S. stands for. Yep, right here. Well, Lil Moon Lambo. All right, bud. Yeah, so looks like, regulations coming. We all know that. Some stablecoin stuff will be happening, this is all to be expected, and it's not worrisome one bit. Really exciting news. Sorry, my cat. Oh, the joys of live streaming. Really cool news. Polygon. Oh yeah, none of this is investment advice, by the way. So Polygon, which is a crypto I own, is a Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. So Polygon briefly overtook Ethereum for active addresses after 330% surge. So this is really, 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 really bullish news on Polygon. I love Polygon. I hold Polygon. I hold some of the DEXs within Polygon. According to its stats, Polygon had 351,000 daily active wallet addresses on Monday, and Ethereum only had 326,000 addresses. So this guy right here, Mahalo Bajelic, I don't know how you say his name. I believe he is one of the co-founders of Polygon. So we eclipsed Ethereum L1 daily activity addresses for the first time. This is just the beginning. And I believe this is just the beginning for them because they are integrating with Coinbase. Brian Armstrong is a freaking G. Love what they're doing over there. And they are the first, Polygon is the first L2 to integrate into Coinbase. So I just think, I don't even know, Coinbase is going to be such an innovative company. I don't know exactly how they're going to integrate it other than obviously they're going to try and lower Ethereum gas fees. I don't know if they're going to use Polygon to help bring the masses into NFTs because NFTs are extremely unaffordable on Ethereum. You can't mint, you can't afford the gas fees to trade. It's really dumb, especially if you're just kind of an average Joe and you're really trying to get into it. It's pretty much impossible right now. So this is really, really good news. DeFi Llama, which I use to track, total DeFi market cap, TVLs on all the big DeFi protocols, etc., reports that total value locked on all the protocols on Polygon is 4.81 billion. Although it has more than halved, and I am feeling the effects of some of the effects of that. I have noticed, some of my positions on my Polygon Dexes has weakened, but I'm not worried about it. Polygon is a long-term hold for me, and I bought some more today. So, what are you gonna do? Another really cool piece of news. So Fidelity, and you probably already heard about this. This is not like breaking news. It happened, I think, a couple weeks ago. Fidelity pushed for Bitcoin ETF approval in a private SEC meeting with Gary Gensler. So Fidelity, I use Fidelity for traditional stock trading. Huge investment company, one of the biggest in the US. And basically they're trying to lobby the SEC to get them to let them start a Bitcoin ETF. Basically saying that it's what their customers want. And if they finish it, if they get it done, which a lot of people think we might hear some ruling in October, this would be huge news. It would allow a lot of people who aren't going to buy, Bitcoin straight up to purchase it through the ETFs, and it's a smart move, I think, in all aspects, because the U.S. wants to regulate crypto. Okay, well, if people want ETF exposure, they're going to go to Canada. They're going to go to Brazil. They're going to go other places to get this exposure. And if the U.S. wants to regulate it, it's best to keep it in U.S. institutions such as Fidelity that they have oversight over. So I think it's coming. I don't know. A lot of people are saying it's coming in October. I don't want to speculate on that. I don't know. That'd be really cool, but I feel like October, just a gut feeling, I think it might be a little too soon, but we'll find out, and that could be a big price catalyst for the crypto market. Another news story that stuck out to me that I read today, crypto is impossible to destroy, says Tesla CEO Elon Musk. I think it is it is not possible to, I think, destroy crypto, but it's possible for all governments to slow down its advancement. And I'm not sure if this is the same article, but he also said that he does not think that they should regulate crypto. I don't know his reasoning behind that, or anything else. I don't think it's logic, or I don't think it's going to happen. They won't regulate it. They're going to regulate it. We all know this. Like, get over that FUD. It's going to happen. It is what it is. It's not a big deal. We will get past it. Coinbase is laying out groundwork for regulation right now. I think they will be an integral part in helping the boys over there figure it out. But yeah, I'm really interested. It's funny, people have so much weight on what Elon says, and I don't really care what Elon says. The most important things are that, Elon says he owns Bitcoin, he owns Ethereum, Tesla, SpaceX, et cetera. But like, all these people have these hopes that, Elon's going to be this flag bearer for crypto. Like, he's not going to be that flag bearer for crypto, guys. Like, he's not going to carry the torch. That's for Dorsey, bro. Like, he's not going to do it. So if you're counting on Elon Musk pumping crypto, other than like his Doge tweets or whatever, like, get over it. It's not going to happen. Like, we don't even know how much Elon really knows about crypto. I'd be interested. He seems like he holds back a lot in his interviews. It seems like he doesn't really let it all loose, which, he's a big his big public profile, big public business profile. So what are you going to expect from Elon? But yeah, so I'm just gonna wrap it up. Just a little light news coverage today, guys. I had a busy day working, wasn't able to put a whole lot out together, and also I don't want to invest a whole ton of time in doing these until I really polish up my production. So let's just get into my future plans. So I want to be switching over to live streams. I'll try and get, I'm going to try and figure out my schedule where I can schedule them. You can see when they're coming up. But it just really, I think it's more focused on the kind of content I want to deliver. I'm really busy. I own a couple of real estate properties. I work a ton of hours at my job. I don't really have time to necessarily like create content. I more just want to discuss what I'm buying, discuss the markets the day of, really engage with the community and offer value in that kind of way. I think that would be best suited for my personality, my time frame, the kind of content, if you even want to call it content. I'm just kind of calling it like being honest, putting myself out there and engaging with like-minded people, and future plans. So like for right now, guys, like it's just really going to be crypto heavy. Honestly, like I am full down the crypto rabbit hole. I've put thousands of hours into crypto research. I've been putting most of my new capital into crypto. I've actually been getting out of some dividend stocks that are really, they're going nowhere. They're just like 2 to 3% yield, maybe like slow growth. Like in my mind, that's so dumb when I could just even put USDC and Voyager at 9.5%. So I've just been really, like I said, this is not investment advice, but I'm very confident in crypto. I'm very confident in my understanding of the space, and I'm very confident with my risk allocation to it. So lots of crypto stuff, and you let me know in the comments what you want to see, what you want me to talk about. I mean, I own a lot of different cryptos, most of the different smart contract protocols, Bitcoin, which is not a smart contract protocol. Ethereum, I'm in a lot of the DEXs on all of the different protocols, yield farming, single staking, I'm in it. We're deep. So I'm still gonna invest in stocks. Still gonna invest in real estate. Bought a second house about a year ago, running the first one. The goal is to flip the one I'm in about a year and buy a 2 to 4 unit multifamily, probably a duplex or a triplex, house hack, live for free, and then just really ramp this shit up and really start aggressively pursuing financial freedom. And that is pretty much the game plan, everybody. So, like I said, bear with me while I figure out this live stream software. It'll get more and more polished. Hooking up an external camera. I think maybe get a mic someday. I do have a lavalier, so shouldn't be too bad. But let me know, Q&A down in the questions. If the streams take off, I'll do like some live Q&A, stuff like that. But for now, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments, and I will like paste them in a slide, and we can address them next time. But I hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's happy. Hope everyone's healthy. Hope everyone's investing. Hope everyone's taking care of your future. I know I am. So don't know when the next one will be. Hopefully sooner than later. But that is it. Not investment advice. I am Investor Stallone. Peace.